14th chapter, birds come, birds go. Surprising thing is why the title is birds come, birds go. Simply, come indicates what? Increase in number, and go that represents decrease in number. So in short, you can say birds come, it means addition. Numbers are adding in birds. And birds go, it means birds are flying away. It means somewhere the number of birds are decreasing. It means subtraction. Right? So the title you can also say addition and subtraction. You must have studied addition and subtraction with single digit without any carry forward or borrowings. Right? In this particular chapter, you have to study carry over or carry forward along with borrowing in subtraction. Let us see, there is one question. There are 46 swans in a pond. How many swans are there? 46 swans in a pond. Another 17 swans came to the same pond. दूसरे कितने आए? How many? 17 swans came in the pond. How many total swans? Total indicates what? Addition. Whenever in any of the question, the term total or all together, right, that indicates addition. It means you have to add the numbers. Total swans are there in the pond now. See, I have put here square for tens and triangle for ones, which you already have studied. Earlier what you used to do is you used to put T and O. T for tens and O for ones. But for easy understanding, here in this particular question, I have put square for tens and triangle for ones. Right? One more thing you have to remember, whenever you are adding or subtracting any of the number, you have to start addition or subtraction from ones place. Right? So first of all, you have to add ones place. Right? Here the first number is 4, 6, 46. It means 4 tens and 6 ones. Right? So on ones place, I am having number 6. It means I have to draw 6 triangles. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? Now I have 4 in tens place. Right? So how many squares I shall draw? I shall draw 4 squares for tens place. So they are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Plus, I am having another number, that is 17. And in 17, 7 on ones place. It means how many triangles I have to draw? 7. So I shall draw 7 triangles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And 1 on tens place. So I shall draw 1 square over here. Right? Now first of all, what I have to do is, if number on ones place are more than 10, if they are more than 10, first of all, I have to make them separate in group of 10. How? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I shall separate these 10 triangle. Why? Because number 10 represents tens place. Right? Tens means group of 10. Group of 10. It means 10 plus 1, 2 and 3. 13. So the total number of triangles are 13. 1, 3, 13. Now I shall separate these ones, right? So they are 1, 2 and 3. So they are 3. And these 10 triangles I shall shift with tens place. Group of 10, it means that is 1 square. So that 1 square I shall add over here. राइट ये जो 10 का ग्रुप है मैंने क्या किया 10 का ग्रुप इट मींस 1 स्क्वायर राइट ग्रुप ऑफ 10 इट मींस 1 स्क्वायर राइट तो मैंने वो 10 का ग्रुप जो था उसको मैंने कहां पर शिफ्ट कर दिया यहां राइट तो अब उसके बाद बचा क्या मेरे पास 1 2 एंड 3 दैट आई हैव पुट ओवर हियर राइट नाउ आई शैल ऐड नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 so number of squares are 6 so the number is 63 now let us add these with the numbers that is 6 plus 7 6 plus 7 is 13 1 3 13 3 on ones place so I shall put in the column ones 3 and this 1 on tens place I shall carry forward so that I shall put here right यहाँ पर 1 हो 2 हो 3 हो whatever the number is there on ones place will be carried forward right so I have carried forward 1 over here so now 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 so the number is 63 see here also the answer is 63 so in short you can say 46 plus 17 is equal to 63 let us see one more example over here 8 plus 9 right so on one place I'm having 8 it means I shall draw how many triangles 8 so I'm drawing here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 and on tens place I'm having number 2 so I shall draw 2 squares yes plus here 1 9 19 on ones place I'm having number 9 it means I shall draw 9 triangles 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and on tens place number 1 it means I shall draw 1 square now first of all what I have to do is I have to make group of 10 triangles first. I have to separate them. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I have separated these 10 triangles. Right? So after separating them the remaining triangles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I shall put 7 over here. And this group of 10, it means 1 square, I shall shift here. Right? It means I shall add one more square over here. Right? If it would be 20 then I shall draw here 2 squares. Right? Now I am having 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares. So the number is 4, 7, 47. Let us add this with numbers. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 8 plus 9, 17. 1, 7, 17. So 1 tens and 7 ones. So in ones column I shall put here 7. In ones column I shall put 7 and this one will be carried forward. So I shall carry forward it. Yes. Now I shall make total of these 3 numbers. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the number is 47. So you can say 28 plus 19 is equal to 47. You can tell your answers. Here also 47 and here too your answer is 47. Right? Thank you so much.